The Assam Rifles, in collaboration with local law enforcement agencies, thwarted a series of successful anti-smuggling operations in Mizoram, seizing a substantial cache of heroin and illegal areca nuts worth Rs 1.5 crore in Assam and Champhai district. Security personnel also apprehended 5 individuals in 4 different operations on November 12 and 13. Acting on specific intelligence, the personnel on November 12 intercepted and seized 113 grams of heroin number 4 worth Rs 84.75 lakh at Malbuk Road Junction and apprehended 3 women who have been identified as residents of Krajal. In the second operation carried out by a combined team of Assam Rifles and Special Narcotics Police Station, CID Crime, Aizawl in general area, Zemabwak Kwan Veng 2, Aizawl district, 34.5 grams of heroin number 4 worth Rs 24.15 lakh was recovered. One individual identified as H. Vanlal Manipur, 27, a resident of Janmari, was apprehended in this connection. On November 13, a joint team of Assam Rifles and Customs Preventive Force Champhai seized 4,900 kgs of illegal areca nut valued at Rs 39.30 lakh in New Champhai. In another operation carried out on the same day by a combined team of Assam Rifles and Excise and Narcotics, Anti-Narcotics Squad, Aizawl, Mizoram in general area, Idanthar Veng, Aizawl district, 11 grams of heroin number 4 worth 7.15 lakhs was recovered. One individual identified as Joseph Lal Tanjima, 22, resident of Idanthar, was apprehended. The entire consignment along with apprehended individuals were handed over to the police department. Jokwatwar Custom Preventive Force, Champhai, Excise and Narcotics, Anti-Narcotics Squad, Aizawl and Special Narcotics Police Station, CID Crime, Aizawl for further legal proceedings.